Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Remember, my friends, emotions in trading don't come from market itself, okay? So from where they come? They come from what the market means to you. Remember this what I said. Okay. Let's see gold dollar a little bit. Today is 8th of April. Okay. And congratulations for to the traders who made profit on this trade opportunity discussed in my previous live stream. So congratulations, and hopefully if you stay connect with my channel you will be making such profits. Okay, so as per the previous plan, what was my previous stuff going on? Obviously some scalping trade opportunities here it gave. Right here you see this was that zone, then it dropped. Obviously, as I said on the intraday, if you see my previous stream you will remember that this was the situation, and then that happened. Okay, this ABCD was happening, this one, and then from there it was supposed to be dropping till here, and then it did. Okay, see, it is as this, and as per the ABCD rules as this, understand? Okay, and then that got completed here. Okay, so this is where I left my last stream on the 15-minute time frame, so that's why I am resuming the same 15-minute time frame from there. So let's delete and clean the chart nicely, and these levels, see, I drew them in my last session. Even they gave fantastic profits. Okay, and obviously from here till back up there, this is the Fibonacci stuff, and if I was trading, maybe I would not be able to trade this to the sell side of the market right here. Maybe I would stay neutral, but I mean, look at the opportunities near the levels that I drew. Beautiful opportunity. This was as a sell from there till here, then a buy from here till up there, then a 61.8, and then this. So I couldn't traded this yesterday. It happened. Okay, yesterday there was actually rain and very bad weather right here. Internet was down, electricity was down. I have no backup at the moment, so due to that I couldn't come live. So yes, beautiful market it was, and I could generate very decent profits on this one if I have enough money and if I was trading yesterday then. So this story did you get? Now let's delete this, and what did I say? I say that the market is like just price moving up and down. Okay, and our brains translates it into I'm winning, I'm losing, I'm right, I'm wrong, I'm safe, I'm in danger. So these are the emotions, right? We will be discussing them as well. These are the emotions. What the market means to us, my friend, this is what we need to understand. So this story, did you get now? Then same on the 15-minute time frame is in my last session what I said, that there are actually, this place is broken. See the trend line study right here, and like nothing very much like a broken level. See false breakout, and here we have an order block. I will make a video on these order blocks someday, because these wherever two trends like cross each other, that place becomes a very strong order block level. So yes, even on the intraday zone, even after that it played very nicely. See, this level got broken, market retest, and but this is a lower time frame stuff. So move on to the H1 and let's slightly adjust it now since price already moved, so we can adjust. Okay, and there is one other trend that got broken. This one, this trend is broken, my friend, and broken to the top side of the market. Wow, my friend, and to the top side of the market. I don't have to do much of a study because one of my level is already there. From my previous session I said this is that cross level. We have tried to understand these things. So now we have got the direction for today. Well, on a scalping zone, if I tell you, since these markets are always moving, let's see. First thing first, this is a good re-entry point, okay, and this is 4684.89. lucky ones will get it during the week. We still have like today NY session yet to open, then tomorrow on Thursday we have 3 sessions remaining, then around like 6-7 sessions still remaining. Okay, so a lot can change right here. So yes, but since we are right here for short term, so I try to do a combination of 15-minute, 5-minute and 1-minute. Okay, let's see first the 15-minute. Well, my friend, on the 15-minute market got bearish. Okay, and where will it become bullish? It will become bullish right here. If it closes above this, then it is bullish. So it means then this is showing us a good drop of 135 pips. No, sorry, around 1000 pips it is showing us. But I'm not sure if the other traders will be letting that happen or not. And a very short term entry can be this one. Quick scalping one and easy one. Okay, easy one. I'm telling you, easy one. Then it will be approximately near this zone. This is the perfect one. Okay, rest let's adjust this and then we get further perfect one. Where did I do it from? The last broken point is this. Yes, here a strong buy can be planned 47.94, around 50 pips quickly it will be giving. Okay, 50 pips. The more safest one for scalping is this one, and this one will be giving 66 pips. So let's see, lucky ones will get this buy. Okay, let me head over to your chat if there is anything. I will be discussing this like how emotions arise in forex trading. Like everyone know this is greed, this is fear, this is this is that, but I would like to see, and we would like to discuss right here in the stream that how actually they arise from, where greed comes from, where FOMO comes from. These are very important for us to know so that we can correct ourselves. Your comments now. Who is with me? HK Wines, good evening. Volnis Volvic. Hi everyone. Hi. Sell zone. Let's see, sir. I spotted a BTC USD trend line breakout on 1 hour time frame and took longs on 61% retracement. Beautiful profits. Wow, congratulations for that. Volnis Volvic. Yes, on gold I am right now. Lucky ones will get this scalping trade from right here. 50 pips it will be. And yes, let's say if it break this level, then this is like 126 pips. And just in case if someone is buying right now, stop loss is going to be below this. Okay, 78 pips of stop loss and 151 pips. So then it depends on the traders what type of opportunities they want to avail. Every type of opportunity is present in these market. Personally, I see a very sharp Wu candle. Okay, so ideal for buying. This 150 pips seems immediate. Okay, very immediate profit I can easily make from this one. My account don't allow me to trade, otherwise I see it going straight up. See, I did no magic, nothing. I just drew lines. Okay, did you see any Fibonacci or anything? No. It's going nicely. Gold is going very nicely. Okay, and those who bought stops are right here. Okay, pretty much decent stop loss, 78 pips, but the reward is also good, 150 pips. And remember, this is not a trade signal or trade advice or anything. See, everyone is responsible for their own losses and profits. So any questions for me, everyone? You are watching me, you silent viewers, those who don't comment. And yes, my friends, I need likes on this stream because I want to reach out to more and more people, because I have something that works 100%. Okay, 100% working strategy this is. Can you believe 100%? Little bit of psychology tuning and rest 100%. It is in front of you, both in videos, in live streams. This is 100%. You just tell me you want to buy or sell, I find you levels. And those who think shall I take a buy or shall I take a sell, remember, both works on probabilities. Okay, but for example, you are right here. I will say this is a tiny sell zone of 50 pips now, but with a stop loss of 31 pips. So this is one need to understand. To me, market is clearly bullish. Okay, and even if I'm stopped out right here, I'm again buying from here, I am again buying from here. If I'm stopped out on everything, it's okay, I will call it a day and will say this is not my day. But it doesn't mean that I will switch my strategy. Oh my friend, I have a friend, he is a very good trader, very clever, very sharp, very intelligent. I mean, like, he was the best person I ever have. My good friend. But he did this same mistake. So why, my friend? Don't do this. So what that friend of mine do, who is a very good person, if a stop loss is hit, the next time he is going to change his strategy. Oh my friend, why? So then I have I gave this strategy to him, and even now he's praying for me. Whenever I'm in need of money, I always call him and he always support me. Yes. So forex trading is like the business of money. Okay, if one becomes a forex trader, whether he trades, he doesn't trade, makes money. Okay, and when trade, make more money. Just like in front of you in December, how much I made, all in front of you right here. So but these days mostly the people like these clickbaits and these hi-fi videos, edited videos, and this and that. It has created this whole market very much bad, I should say. There is a lot of spam and fake stuff. So be aware, everyone, okay? Be aware. This industry is full of scam. Okay, my friend, my brother, be aware of it. Some people will call you the same strategy. This same strategy, some people will call, out there, like some people will call the same strategy with a different name, smart money concept. Some will call order block, some will call Fibonacci, some will call something else, some will call something else. The honest thing is, there is nothing else than trend line strategy. Okay, because trends are forever made. A trend, like forever, a trend will be made, a trend will be broken, a trend will be retested, a trend will be continued, then another trend will be joining, sellers will be there, and this is a proper structured market. Since this is gold and we are in high volume time, so it can approach. Okay, till here, then still I'm thinking buy, but then I am not thinking buy if the market drops below this area. Got it? Be quick and give me a very good and decent like on this stream so that I also become happy. 50 pips of opportunity right here it was. 26 pips already moved. Well, yes, volume is very strong, very extremely strong. So maybe a break-even stop here. But this is still like going crazy. This is the strong order block area. And if it break it, my friend, no. It's going to drop then, okay? See in how much less area we are looking it for. Something big is happening, another buying level is hit. Wow, this is that beautiful 73 pips of a trade opportunity instantly. This one, now if it go wherever it go, it gave its profit, and maybe if this level sustain, it can go further high, back up. Okay, let's see the higher time frame a little bit. So the previous is bearish engulfing, and yes, there is a chance it can drop back till, wow, this 1000 pips can be dropped. Okay, so now let's plan for that. 1000 pip drop is expected, everyone. Stop loss above 48.12 and an immediate drop. 500 pips has gone nowhere. uh, Beautiful trade opportunity. Further wait will be required at this particular zone, because we need to see what this market is doing. Why we need to see what this market is doing? Because a very ordinary candle became suddenly very sharp. So if it closes back up, or if it closes as this, the volume from there is obviously to the sell side, and I think I missed this sell trade opportunity. But no problem, no problem. I'm anyways not able to trade, but it's coming down. Okay, further 8 900 pips. Beautiful opportunity and beautiful buy can be planned from right here. Let's nicely observe it and understand it. This is not a trade signal, this is just my own opinion with all of you. Side by side, euro US dollar, I have a pending sell limit already there, so I'm not touching it for now, but I will be giving the analysis and stuff. And market seems back bearish as this. Okay, just see, big strong order block cancelled right here, the trend continued, and like till at this stage, still the nice entry point as a seller will be this one, because I think still bulls will be trying to buy from here back till up there. I'm not buying, but maybe I will be selling. But anyone who is buying, the level is very good and fantastic. 153 pips. Anyone who is risking is their own choice. In such situations, when it is dropping, I think it can drop further. So there are these sellers. The stop loss is around 200 pips and the take profit is around 1200 pips. So if one gets around, even we are intraday right here, so if we get even 50 60 100 pips, still that's more than enough. Yes, Volnis Volvic, thank you so much. You have said, but that H4 bearish engulfing, I didn't notice it. Yes, so it was little, yes, that was a bearish engulfing candle. I didn't notice it, and I did not open my chart earlier. So that, and yesterday I was also not live, so I was detached from the market. That's why. See, I couldn't notice this bearish engulfing, and that's why I didn't. I get puzzled. Okay, so yes, things like this happen. This is a very fantastic sell area. Okay, I'm not like others who hide things in the live streams and show false. If there is something on my behalf which is wrong, yes, I will be communicating that as well, because we work right here as a family. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's going nicely dropping. Some people have stop losses right here, some here. These are more safe. Okay, 352 pips of a drop. Further, if it slow down just like yesterday, then it will be quickly right here. 159 pips, then a drop, and then similarly nice moves we can expect. But if this is a straight rally, it will just continue down. Trend is broken, and now it is becoming, it actually became bearish. These days gold is moving very nicely and is giving very fantastic profits, by the way. profitable moves as well. See, immediately like 160 pips one can get as this immediately. So this is the beauty of gold. And see, from the same level it dropped, but I was waiting for a break below, then a retest, then but no retest occurred. So maybe yes, it can go straight there as well and take a retest because market there is a lot of volume. But I will say then close 75% right here and with a break even leave rest 25%. Okay, because as an intraday trader, day trader, we should take benefit from these corrective waves as well. So big and nice buy it can be. Or one can say we want to wait till these levels for a sell, and then yes, they can sell. So it's up to the trader how they look at this market, and maybe it can come back down as this where the break evens will hit, and after the break even hit, then after that 47.87.62 end. This trend, if we see this particular trend, very nice levels it has created, and on these levels like right here and right here, the whole situation depends, like the whole situation that is created right here depends on the way it extends. If we see it as this, because then this will be the move, and after that when it complete that move, we will see that okay, from where the move the next move come from, maybe a drop from there, and then market sustain right here. But let's wait, it's going to hit the TPs. Okay, move stops to break even if not already, and this trend line, if you see, this is that simple method. Sometimes we will be getting a retest, sometimes we will be not. So at the same time we have a lot going on in the market. For example, if I tell you this is sort of also like a mini level and it can also sustain. So traders should be prepared for it. But the way I look at this market, why? Because right here, if we see when the market took all the way a support from right here and a very strong bullish rally, what happened after that, this thing that you see, this one, okay, what at that time what was happening in the market, and what this triangle means right here with this particular breakout, it is something that we need to consider to make ourselves better traders. Otherwise, if we don't look at it that way, we may not be successful, because sometimes we will be losing, sometimes we will be winning, even if we are good traders. Okay, so still, and I must say, book some of your positions from right here. Okay, some profits. This is market, we don't know what happened, what don't happen. So one must take every step with proper precaution, I should say. This drop, you see why this drop occurred, because there was a lot of the liquidity down there. Now a liquidity theory most of you will know, you just google it, you will understand it. The support and the resistance levels we have discussed. This is a beautiful support resistance level, but this level became acted as a, see, good level as well, and it will be reacting, these will be reacting, it will be giving again approximately, can give approximately 50-60 pips easily. So one trader just don't need thousands and thousands of pips from the market. Earlier what I said, we don't need to become greedy. If we become greedy, like if we say I'm winning, I'm losing, I'm right, I'm wrong, I'm safe, I'm in danger, everything will be like then you just do the calculation yourself what will then happen. And the moment money and identity and uncertainty mix together, then understand then what happens. So the real root causes are very different for these emotions. Okay, these emotions will be arising in our life. There are negative emotions as well. The one who is a positive trader will always have a very positive mindset. Positive mindset traders don't get afraid from the market. Okay, They see this as a good move, this as a good move, these as a good move. See, everywhere the market is moving, so from somewhere at least one cannot book 100 to 150 pips per day. How come this possible? How beautiful move this was, how beautiful move this is, even before that, even before the stream. So I need some good news from you guys, that you guys make plenty of money. Whatever I'm sharing right here is golden information, opportunity for you to become good traders. Because for how long will I be giving the setups, and for how long will I be analyzing the markets? One should, if one say that okay, I want to actually become a very good trader, and then that trader, if really wants himself a good trader, should learn it from its root causes. As I said, the strategy thing is easy. In 2 weeks you can learn it. Practice is what requires some time and some dedication. So okay, so don't mix money, identity, uncertainty together. Emotions are born, okay, emotions are born, and on uncertainty there will be no control. Okay, this level is holding side by side. I'm giving these things because then most of my friends are like, they're not picking it up very nicely, so then I say okay, I should not continuously be boring you. See right here, sell area again, 100 pips is there, but somewhere at least, even one is on a winning streak, someone has to lose the last trade, or one or two trades, fine. Remember this money thing, when one earns money is become completely successful in life. Because when one learn trading, what happens is that that person becomes financially independent. He, like, this is, my friends, a feeling that I cannot describe. How this feeling is, like, I'm like, these things are just seems jokes to me, like going to office and going to this, and then I will have a boss, and then I will be working for him. Okay, and then like I will be listening to my boss as well. Sometimes his mood will be this and that. Sometime the boss will be having some fight with his wife and come to the office, and I'm not worried for them. Why? Because am I very special? No. I learned Forex trading, that's why. Remember, I learned. I did not become a copycat. Do you know copycat? Who just randomly open positions. And yes, I am a very good copycat in what? In learning. If one has a very good method, I will say, oh yeah, I really need to learn it, man, can you tell me this? If that person don't tell me what is this, then I make my own. See, this was an indicator. Let me show you. Let me show you right now. I saw it on my friend's chart. It was very beautiful, very nice. And back then I was testing something. So then I made it myself. And this is not ever available on my MT4. I learned it and I made it for myself. Okay, this is a separate beautiful strategy. These are levels which support resistance levels, like my automated we can say strategy, I should say. Let me change their colors, then I will properly guide you about it, that what it is. Or let me make it a little bit bigger, thick, I should say. Just one moment, okay? I'm showing you something very excellent. When you come to the stream, you get a lot of knowledge. Now see, or let me do it on a separate chart. Okay, let's open another gold chart. Where is gold? But there are a lot of pairs on my broker that it's like, so gold is dropping. Okay, anyone who is holding, hold. Let's see. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Now let me apply that insert indicators custom, and in the custom, where is Aftab Forex magic? Aftab Forex trend system. Okay, let me make it bold. Oh, this is made for, why it's not working nicely. No, this is something else. Let's do it again. Let's see which one it was. Maybe I loaded a wrong one. Yes, here it is. There is this middle line which I'm making super bold. Okay. No, let's make it be as this. See, my friend, this is my strategy, like automation of it. These are the levels which get support resistance levels, which reset every day on daily basis automatically. I don't have to do anything. So for today, it gave, see, this is today. Okay, let's see yesterday when, okay, this is weekly, sorry. So yesterday it got reset. Every week it gets reset. See, it go back up. This is the previous week, it got reset. The first break that we see, it tells us the direction for the next week. So any trade in this whole profitable stuff that we traded. So when someone doesn't tell me, I try to copy them, but I don't copy them that, okay, what is his signal or what is his direction. I do my own stuff. Okay, this is very beautiful indicator. Someday I will be uh, telling you this is sort of an automation. Okay, 99% of the work it makes easy for MT4. Okay, let's see gold now again. So sellers are obviously selling these 1100 pips, and stop loss is right here. And the bulls, we were as a bull on the 1 minute when it hit this level, if you remember. So nice rally. It did not prove to be sell area. So okay, we now don't need this level actually. This one. Yes, chart clean, stuff clean. And is still in a sell. Below this trend line is still in a sell. Let me head over to your chat, and then we have some psychology stuff that we will be discussing. No, NY is not yet open. Now the market is making something of itself, right? See, this is that 100% area that is rejecting the price. 108 pips. 108 pips of a drop is expected right here. And if that is a Fibonacci number, then it can also drop till here. And then it will catch this area as well, which will be tricky, making it more tricky. This is a prediction for a trend, another one, more probably. So this is how I look at this market, and this is then how each and every trade opportunity works for me. Even if I sit at midnight in front of the PC on 1 minute, 5 minutes, I get something. I get something, believe me, I get something with this strategy. I don't ever go empty hand to my home, I should say. Did you tried it or not? Please let me know in the chat. If you guys are not practicing what I'm teaching, then I will, like, the purpose of these live streams is then just like, what do you say? Please be serious. As soon as you listen to me, don't leave the stream, just ask me in the chat. Right now I want to ask you what you are practicing, where do you get problems, because from my side, you see, these are simple stuff. So I want to hear from your side as well. What actual problems are you facing with this strategy? What are those actual problems? You never know what will happen next, okay? This is uncertainty. No control. And even a perfect setup can fail. 1,000 times it happened to me. It was a very good setup. I played nicely. Failed. But does that mean I quit Forex trading or change my strategy? Huh? Think about it. Okay. Remember, my friends, our brains hate uncertainty. I repeat, our brain hates uncertainty. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Remember, my friend, you messaged to someone and you asked a very important question that is very much important to you. And you are waiting for the reply to come. How is that feeling? This is uncertainty. Okay, questions came for me in the chat, and that is, sir, I take trades based on your techniques, but can you share step-wise process that I shall follow to enter a trade? Simple, my friend. Step for let's open another chart. Which pair? Just let me know. Euro US dollar nicely approaching up. Okay, position trades, my position trades are running to the buy side. Gold, beautiful, beautiful, 38 pips it gave. I wish even if I have $500, I'm going to trade it on gold. Live, in these live streams I will be trading it, and I will be growing that account into $500,000 with this strategy. This is such a beautiful strategy. If one has money, should learn this strategy and trade with it. Just print money then. But the thing is, my friend, those who have this strategy, they don't have money, and those who have money, they don't have this strategy. Got it? Stepwise, if we see this is that step right here. This is a trend. See, market came down, retest came down, retest came down, retest came down, go back up. Why go back up? This is a support. This is the simple strategy. No steps needed, just correctly look at the market and the success is all yours. Believe me, the success is all yours. So let's delete this, and I'm personally waiting for some other setup. Okay, ideally I would like to see Fibonacci right here. here. Okay, Fibonacci, it will be fun then. This is 38.2, but if it break above, I'm not going to chase. Okay, nah, my friend, I'm not going to chase because the pattern will be as this. From there we will be properly getting bullish. Okay, Volness Volvic, try to prepare and plan for some reduction, because this H4 candle can potentially go back up and take a retest of this candle. This is also I forgot. See, when you are detached and away from the screen for long, we forget. Because in December I clearly said bearish engulfing, but the next candle can go and take a retest of the previous high. So whatever is happening, that is happening right here. And I think the next sell level can be 48.14, a fantastic one as per this particular plan. Not a trade signal, just this one seems very nice and ideal. Quick scalping, okay, no further holding, just 30, 40, 50 pips, get and leave. Okay, why you made loss, dear? Didn't you put stop loss? How did you trade it? Today you made loss on gold on this beautiful chart, my friend. How from here we are buying till here, and even if it, let's say if one sold from here, how much stop loss? 20 pips on gold is what? Nothing. 20 pips is nothing. But what about this take profit? Didn't you took it 300 pips immediately? Didn't you took this sell immediately on the 15-minute when I was giving you as this? And if this level respect, it can also come back down. So why don't you guys understand these things? See, slightly it go up. Okay, at least 50-60 pips of a stop loss could easily give you 60 pips immediately. Stop, move to break even and let the position run. HK Wines, I'm asking you, what happened? Why did you took this loss? How? Please don't be emotional ever in trading. Be emotional in life, no problem. But we should not be emotional in trading. Okay, just give me some 5 minutes break, then I will be right back. And since I'm not discussing the other pairs, so I might be changing the title of it, because I'm not discussing other pairs. So let's stick to just gold. Today market is getting warmer, good further opportunities are waiting for us. Take every, so 5 minute break. Okay. Remember, this plan will need some validation right here, okay? Because momentum is bullish. We will first wait for this momentum to break. Okay, then things will be starting nicely in our favor. Any questions in this? Okay, it's small, that's fine. But try to be careful. It's still very cold outside, even in April. This is a good drop area. This is a very bigger one, okay? This is that smaller one. No, I think sellers are getting a little bit early. For a proper sell area on a 1 minute, I think if this level respects 48.19 somewhere, then it will be dropping from there. These are the early scalpers, like 78 pips this level gave. 78 pips is good, by the way. I highly recommend everyone to learn this strategy with me. See, sometimes the markets are complicated. Now, if I show you this combination, it will look as this. This is now this combination A, B, and it will become CD, and it will become this. This is another level, maybe for tomorrow. Remember my words, okay? Remember my words, my friends. And then the market take another bounce from here, maybe till here or here, okay, somewhere. And then it go and crash down till here. Okay, so how quickly that happens, because this is 15-minute time frame, so I don't know. Maybe during this time it can go up. Then in that situation there will be several other stuff going on. Okay, breakout, let's say, and then it will retest, and then two things will happen. Either this retest will pass, okay, or this retest will fail. If it fail, we will say this is a fake breakout. Then we wait for this particular zone, and then we aim for selling back down till here. Okay, did you understand? Now see the trend line. See, trend line will be looking as this then, and trend line will be looking as this then. See, and this same trend line will look as a retest of this. So this opportunity, my friends, how many opportunities do we need? See, this is my strategy. Any question in this, so I can explain for you? Try to make sure to share the stream with those who really like learning. Okay, for example, someone asks you, I have problem with support the resistance, tell him my name or my channel link, give him. For example, someone want to tell you, I have problem with trading psychology, you can refer that person to my channel. Similarly, someone say, uh, beautiful trade. Okay, beautiful trade. Wow, my friend, look at this trend line behaving nicely. This level is behaving very nicely. Did you understand this whole plan? This is the plan for gold. We will see it today. And it can happen quickly in one or two candles as well. Sometimes, yes. If the market is too fast, it will be happening in one or two candle. We will see. Let's see. New York opened. Let's wait a little bit for 13 plus 15. 3 plus 18 minutes. In 18 minutes, further volume is expected. I guess we have a news as well. So let's see if that is at this time or some other time. The news is FOMC meeting minutes. That is later tonight. Till then, the bulls and the bears must also be taking their part from the market. How are my levels, my friend? You just tell me. Currently, this is in play, okay? This is still in play. But earlier what did I say? That from here, the market is going till up there, okay? But personally, this is not my level for a sell, okay? So if this is not my level for a sell, I will also be a little bit afraid from this. Let's don't tease around with this plan. I will then be slightly afraid of this level as well. Do you see this one on a 1 minute as a scalper? Okay, so now this sell is active again, back down till 47.46. Okay, see this plan. And how do we know this plan? Do you see this got failed? I mean, it didn't got failed, it worked, but how much it worked? Only for till here, not exactly here, which I think is sort of like justified. Okay, or this one, you see this one? Yes, this is the perfect one. So even if it is dropping, it will be planning as this first, then till here, then here, then the bigger drop will be here. This is yet another opportunity we have. How many opportunities one need, my friend? This market is always full of opportunities. And the reason of we became seller is because we have this break below from this particular place. These simple lines is my strategy, and it's giving me profit. Now let's see on the 1 minute. See, beautifully it is playing right here. See, break below, retest, continuation. This is what I call the real trade opportunity. I don't say if two moving averages crosses and a candle closes above this, then the market is bullish. How the market is bullish then? Market cannot be bullish in that situation. Not possible at all. Have you ever seen that just by two moving averages crosses and market just close above it? And because using the moving averages back like 12, 10, 11 years ago, I lost a lot of money on it. It cannot be done. I sometimes when since you know this channel is Forex channel, so I randomly watch YouTube as well. So other streams are come to recommendation, so I see. And when I see that two on a 1 minute, the candle closes below two moving averages, and now sell the direction has changed. That is pure gambling. Be aware of such people, okay? Be aware of such people. Yes. Trend line is everything, and we must obey the rules, regulations, and everything with trend lines. And little bit study of the ABCD pattern with Fibonacci. This much can make a person professional trader. With some few 2-3 good nice candlesticks, just like I some time ago I showed you that right now on the 1 minute 15-minute people are playing this bearish engulfing, okay, because in a bigger scale market is going to also drop till here, okay. So don't get confused, learn this thing, my friend. People make it simple for you so that you stay on their channel and hide the truth. I don't do that. I don't hide the truth. I say even if it looks complicated, still one must have to learn to become successful, or otherwise their trader should quit and start something else. Maybe a departmental store, maybe you can do some job or something. Yeah. Don't lose your money here and there. Everyone losing all of the time. Why? No one asks ourselves what is going around us. So, my friend, you know, I asked these questions from myself so many times in the past. Right now, then I am able to come right here, speak in front of you, find tradable opportunities for you, make money together, okay, give you practice, give you learning, to grow together, to make you successful. You get successful, I automatically get successful, okay, because now I want to show and prove as a mentor this is my life. That day my wife was asking me, Aftab, you learned Forex but you are not teaching it in the live streams. I said, no, I'm teaching. She said, no, just teach it. Market is beautiful, always full of opportunities. You tell me how many opportunities you want, how many I explained right now. Don't ever switch strategy, don't ever, okay. They say trend is our friend, so we should take it as trend is our real friend, okay. Heading over to your chat, if there is anything for me, sir, what would you plan on GBPUSD now? I see it broke out of a 1 hour downwards trend line. Oh my friend, let's have a look at that as well. So which one? GBPUSD broke which trend line? You know, my friend, why I'm not discussing euro dollar and let's get them closer together. Euro dollar, pound dollar, why I'm not discussing them together today? Because obviously my selling is starting from there, so I'm not discussing it. And I'm not touching GBP USD because, okay, I will be touching it, but if I get a chance to see the market maybe tomorrow right here, maybe today right here, then I will be recommending it for buys from here, but this is way too overpriced for buying. Okay, we have this level as well, then we need proper breakout and proper retest, then we can see. So right now that's not in play, so gold is in play. That's why I'm showing gold today. When there will be no opportunities, we will be switching to another instrument, another. Remember when we have a, like, if you have a digging instrument, you can dig wherever you want, okay, wherever that is capable of. So if that is capable of digging, then we will be digging, we will be finding opportunities. Every day there is one opportunity, two opportunities, easy we get, but then we give it back to the market. I don't give it back to the market. Remember, you just check my past streams and everything. I don't. And perhaps that's why I call myself professional, successful forex trader. Yes, and now I want to prove myself as a good mentor. Yes, as a good mentor, I am going to prove myself, and I'm going to teach this strategy to each and everyone who is related to forex, stocks, commodities, wherever there is a chart. That's my promise. So what would you plan on? Okay, yes, so I said my plan. Okay, HK Wines. Let's see, maybe in 8 minutes we can get good volume. When I upload a gold video today on the H4 H1, that will be a little bit different plan, good, safest. So make sure to not miss that video and don't skip. Watch each and every thing that I say in that video. This market can ruin anyone instantly, so we should not see how many things is happening at the same time. It is selling from here as well, it is going up from here as well, little bit it also up there, but then it again started to drop. So it started to drop till here, but now from here again there is a little bit buying expected, or maybe a breakout expected. But if it is also coming down in this situation, then it is also a breakout. These are scenarios and stuff, my friend, everything. Without proper learning and understanding, don't ever jump into this market. This is my brotherly and honest advice to every one of you watching me right now. Some people are just paying for the funded accounts, You pay, account fail, you pay, account fail, you pay, account fail, you pay, account fail. How many times will you be failing the account? Everyone who is not consistent and listening to me right now, pay very close attention to what I'm saying. And what I'm saying is, I'm saying it for your sake, because no one is giving it a damn, no one. This is just me who is curious to know that I want to be a good mentor. I want to bring the number of, or the percentage of loser or inconsistent traders back to 50%, because when forex trading started, The actual win to reward ratio was 50-50, but these are the people who are making it little bit complicated, making that fear induced. Okay, remember your first trade, most of you were not fearful, but when you saw the loss, then you were. So market tactics they are playing. Okay, 6 minutes I'm further waiting. If the volume is the same, then let's see. Some people took opportunity as this as well from right here. Trend line C going back up, level can be adjusted as this. Where is that block coming at? This is quick scalping. Okay, this block is coming right here as well. Now people are also, since you know it is also showing this, so people out there in the world is also thinking this way as well, and as a trader we do need to understand this thing. If we want or if we don't want, we have to understand it, and this is for sure. So this is that block area. See how many levels, how many trades do you want? And even right here will be the break. This is now further, so maybe a continuation and a drop from here. And remember, if I can do it on the 1 minute, so on daily H4 H1, this strategy can play miracles and make you a very profitable trader with good discipline in a very short span of 3-4 months. Stay for my further videos. You will see the miracles of this strategy. This strategy has saved those people whose accounts were 20,000 all the way from $300,000, and this strategy, with the help of this strategy, they made it back to $500,000. I have messages in my WhatsApp. Yes, that's possible. We little bit, my friend, if you understand what I'm saying, we little bit need to tune our mind slightly. We don't need to change our whole self. Let's see your chat. Great levels, thank you. Sir, what would you plan on GBP now? Okay, I answer, never skip your videos. Thank you. This is my first funded account. I'm really scared. I don't know, but fortunately I passed phase 1. That's congratulations, man, for passing phase 1. Yes, congratulations for passing phase 1. When you have a strategy, you will be passing thousands and thousands of such phases on the funded accounts. Then first attempt based on just your weekly forex forecast. Oh, thank you so much, dear. This is a very good compliment for me. You made my day. Thank you. Took me 4 months because I use small lots. That's again great. I think you exactly followed my strategy, HK Wines, and I really appreciate your hard work. Great, excellent clappings for you. Let's see if the volume comes. That will be good. So do you understand, there is a lot of the things happening at the same time, and there is no one strategy which can tell us how to be safe from it. And honestly, I am telling you, my brothers, so that you unsubscribe all of the paid forex stuff and listen to me what I say. Okay, because from the inside I know that whatever I'm saying is honest. I think my BGM is too much slow. One minute left. Let's see. Bullish attack expected near the zone that I have already discussed right here. Maybe a quick one. 50 pips, because these days even a quick one is 50 pips. Golden days for the gold. For the gold, these are golden days going on. One candle 50 pips, immediately make profit, leave. Those who really understand this trend line are just printing money these days on gold. Sometimes there are no good opportunities. You should learn from what I did at the start of the year. I was traded in November, made 35% in till 5th December, stopped trading it. Focused on euro dollar, it was moving very nicely. I made good profits out of it till March. Then euro, I was getting bored of euro, so then I moved to gold again. See, till last week we have made around 3500 pips as a profit, and we are still hoping for some good trade opportunities that are in front of us. So what else do we need? Okay, remember, you need to achieve that state of mind where you are completely financially free. Once you do that, you will feel outcaged. That is very different feeling. I may not be able to explain. Wait, okay, no further confirmation. Wait, okay. See, the bulls are trying, but no confirmation yet. And I'm anyways not in favor of this buy. Okay, because see, this is happening. Now just have a look at this level then. If it dropped till here, I will say okay, this one got completed, so the chance is a little bit more high. But sometimes it is just straight coming down. And those who were waiting for it, they did not get it, but their wait gave them this trade opportunity. Even now they are emotionally selling right here for 1000 pips of a profit. Remember, I'm telling you again, with just 200 pips of a stop loss. 1000 pips. Big battle zone ahead, and this big battle zone will be right here. But I think there is a very strong bearish engulfing H4 candle, you will remember. And as per that, this bigger rally is expected, and it can drop. Okay. So buying is dangerous, selling is safe haven at this moment. On this retest is the right opportunity, with just a stop loss of around 161 pips. Beautiful. 1000 pips can be target. If it go, it will be a jackpot. If it hit the stop loss, it's nothing, man. Yes, not a trading signal, not an advice. Okay, everyone is responsible for their own decisions. I'm just saying on the basis of my own experience and my own honesty what I feel. $47.51, maybe yes, I think, because see, but my friend, we will need to wait for this candle wick. See, this candle closed as a wick, this one. So there are then further probabilities. Maybe this can continue this hour and hit this level and go and close as a bigger wick as this. Remember, it can happen. I have seen it. Or it can just come back down, hit this level, try retest it and nose up. So we will need a proper close below this then, if we are targeting that lower 40, what level you said, 46, 47, 46, or what were 47, 46, 47, 51, approximately that level. So this is that mindset behind it. Okay, and the candlestick readings I always also have told you, and these traders already got this much profit. 120 pips it moved down, so I think you guys must have booked 50-60 pips from it quickly. This is how it is. Volume came in, okay, big volume, but big volume is targeting for a further drop back to 47, 46. and that will obviously be first breaking this level, because this is important. This is not just an ordinary level on the 15-minute, but it is a proper. Even if we see a 30-minute break, still I think it will become a little bit more safer to look till that. And yes, if one is holding from right here, then yes, with your stop loss reduced and hold it till here, no problem. Then you got what I said? Yes. So follow these plans, rewatch the stream, and I'm sure enough you will understand these whole plans. Take a lot of care of yourself, and I will see you next time. Make sure leave your like, share the stream with your friends, and goodbye. I will just enjoy the weather right now, because I might not be trading euro US dollar today. So if I'm not trading it today, then there is no point of being right here. Okay, because I'm tired. Being right here, I mean I'm tired. Okay, and I'm not trading it anyways, and I'm also not getting good response from you. So later I will be uploading a video. Make sure to check that out on the gold, but by then I expect market will be already right here, or maybe let's see, this level is not broken, so maybe it can continue higher as this. Take care.